The year is 2526. The city of Neo-Vanguard is controlled by a flawless AI network that can predict every human thought, every choice, and every pulse. Until the system encountered a glitch. An ancient soul that doesn't exist in the database, a warrior who doesn't use code but uses honor. Kenji, a master samurai from the 16th century, wakes up surrounded by cold steel and digital illusions. To the machines, he is an unauthorized organic asset. Alarms blare, and the network immediately marks him for deletion. But where a modern man would panic, Kenji breathes. His training taught him that confusion is the first enemy. Before you fight the world around you, you must first conquer the chaos inside your own mind. The automated security drones arrive, processing thousands of combat algorithms per second. They scan Kenji's body, looking for a digital heartbeat, a wireless signal, or cybernetic implants. They find nothing. The machines operate on data, but Kenji operates on human intuition. Because his mind is completely quiet, the AI cannot predict his next move. In a world full of over-information, being unpredictable is your greatest weapon. Lasers cut through the rain, but Kenji moves like water. He doesn't fight the machines with brute force, he studies their rhythm. Every machine has a pattern, a loop, a limit. With a single, disciplined strike, his fire-forged steel cuts through the advanced chrome armor. The drone falls in sparks. The future forgot that technology can easily be upgraded, but human focus and centuries of warrior discipline can never be copied by code. As the smoke clears, the central AI updates its database, processing a new type of threat: honor. Kenji walks out into the neon jungle, an ancient ghost in a digital cage. He survived because he relied on the oldest technology in existence, the unbroken human spirit. Machines can build cities that touch the clouds, but they can never manufacture a soul. Stay true to your roots, for your inner strength is a power no algorithm can ever delete.